us look at how to use illa and beda for negative sentences. So basically the difference between illa and beda is illa we will use when we have to say no or not, and beda will be used when you want to say don't. Okay, so illa is, it's like the opposite of yes. So how do illa? These are opposites. How do is yes and illa is no. So I am giving you the difference so that you understand when to use illa. So illa you always have to use it when you have to say no or not. And beda. So here beku and beda are opposites. Beku is want and beda is don't want. So that's the difference between illa and beda. Illa is no or not and beda is don't. So let's just look at a sentence for example, then it becomes a little easier to understand. So here for illa I've just given a simple sentence. Avanu alli illa. Avanu is he, alli is there, illa is not. So it means he is not there. And here, if I say nanage beda, means I don't want. You can also say avanige beda. It means he doesn't want. Okay. And whenever you add a beda, okay, whenever beda is added to any verb, so it means don't do that action. Like for example, nodu plus beda. When you add, it becomes noda beda, means don't see. If you do the same thing with other verbs, kelu plus beda, kela beda, don't hear, don't listen. Helu plus beda, hela beda, don't tell. Okay, so whenever you want to say don't something, then beda will be used. Illa is when you are trying to say no and not. Now, one more example we can see for illa. Male bandilla. So how did we get bandilla? It is split as bandu plus illa. Means it did not rain. Okay, so here also if you notice, wherever we are saying not, we are using illa. So this is how we have to use illa and beda. Then there are few sentences where you can combine both. Like for example, illa, nanage beda. No, I don't want it. Where here both illa and beda are also combined in one sentence. But the main difference is illa is no and not, beda is don't. That is the difference between illa